Now, a day after Punjab Assembly passes 3 bills to counter the centre's farm laws, Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh will also follow suit. On Tuesday, Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot tweeted saying that Rajasthan will follow Punjab's footsteps, and quite soon on that. A special session of the State Assembly will be called in the first week of November. A decision will be taken against the farm laws. In fact, Chhattisgarh governor meanwhile returned a file from the government seeking permission to convene a special session of the Assembly. This provoked a sharp reaction from Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel. In fact, the Chief Minister also said that they will hold the session at any cost now. Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh today said that he met with Punjab Governor over the newly passed laws. He added that he does not fear being overthrown by the BJP, but the laws will remain.
जिथे ताई गवर्नर साहब का सवाल है पूरे पंजाब की आवाज उन्होंने को पहुंच गई सारी पार्टीज उत्थे गई सी he will pass it on to the president cannot ignore the will of some of the people of Punjab of India और जो किसानी है किसानी 85% ऑफ इंडिया कैसे किसानी की व्यूज एक तरफ कर सकते हैं ओह या आई डोंट केयर अबाउट प्रेसिडेंट्स रूल यू वांट टू ब्रिंग प्रेसिडेंट्स रूल ब्रिंग प्रेसिडेंट्स रूल यू वांट टू सैक माय गवर्नमेंट आई डोंट गिव अ डैम।
पंजाब में हमारी सरकार बिल लेकर आई, राजस्थान में भी हम एग्रीकल्चर में किसान को खेत को खलियान को बचाने के लिए राजस्थान में भी हम विधानसभा सत्र बुलाएंगे, बिल लेकर आएंगे, किसान की मदद करेंगे। राजस्थान में पूरे देश में कांग्रेस किसान के साथ खड़ी है और किसान को कोई भी नुकसान जो केंद्र सरकार ने किया वो होने नहीं देंगे।
जो पूर्ण बहुमत की सरकार है उसे विधानसभा बुलाने से राज्यपाल नहीं रोक सकते, लेकिन फिर भी राज्यपाल ने कुछ क्वेरी की है तो उसके जवाब बना के हम आज शाम से पहले भेज देंगे। और यदि उसके बाद भी मैं समझता हूं कि उसके बाद भी अनुमति नहीं मिलेगी, ऐसा मुझे नहीं लगता, अनुमति मिलनी चाहिए और यदि नहीं मिलता तो आप और हम साथ हैं, आगे चर्चा कर लेंगे।
तो मुझे लगता है कि लोकतंत्र में जो केंद्र लॉ बनाता है उस लॉ का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करने की जिम्मेदारी राज्य की होती है। ये बिल को रिफ्यूज करना और वो असेंबली में पास करना अच्छी बात नहीं है, ये लोकतंत्र को खतरा पैदा हो सकता है और इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि भाई पंजाब असेंबली ने दोबारा विचार करना चाहिए और इस बिल में क्या अमेंडमेंट करनी है क्या और उनके जो सुझाव है ये सुझाव अगर वो देते हैं तो जरूर मोदी सरकार उसका विचार करेगी।
Well, here we're looking at the situation becoming tense. Punjab, they're adamant that they are going to be implementing, they are going to keep the law no matter what, despite even if the BJP wishes to overthrow him. That's what the Chief Minister says. In fact, this comes just a day after the Punjab Assembly passes 3 bills to counter the centre's farm laws. Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh also now to follow suit. This comes even on Tuesday. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot had tweeted saying that the Rajasthan will follow Punjab's footsteps, and a special session of the State Assembly was also called in the first week of November. In fact, that's due to happen. The meeting is due to happen, and that's going to be following suit of what Punjab has done. Chhattisgarh governor, meanwhile, has returned the file from the government seeking permission to convene a special session of the Assembly, and this provoked a sharp reaction from Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel. In fact, the Chief Minister also said that they will hold this session, a special session on this at any cost. Now, the Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh today has said that he met with the Punjab governor over the newly passed laws, and he's also added that he does not fear being overthrown by the BJP government, but the laws will remain. Now, cutting across to Anand Patel joining us live. Anand, take us through a decision that Rajasthan has also now made to follow suit on the heels of what Punjab has done. Take us through the politics behind it. Punjab seems adamant they're going to stick by their laws.
Absolutely. The Congress party sees that what the centre has done is encroachment of the exclusive and legislative domain of the state subject. Now, agriculture is a state subject, and by coming up with these central laws, the centre has gone into the domain of the state governments, and that is the reason why at least 2 lists, the list 2 and the list 3, which deal with the agri-marketing and interstate trade, both these lists have been violated, the Congress party says, And that is the reason why the Punjab Assembly has gone ahead with coming up with 3 exclusive bills which are now before the governor. Now the problem is the governor has to send this to the president to give his assent, and once that happens, then only these laws will be applicable. The Congress party says that if that is not happening, then they're left with no option but to approach the court. Second, now most states will be following the suit. After Punjab, Rajasthan has made it clear that in the first week of November, they will also be coming up with the assembly session, especially to come up with bills regarding the new farm laws. And also Chhattisgarh Chief Minister has made it clear that they will also be coming up with a similar kind of law against the central laws. Now, even the non-Congress ruled states, we are told that states like Kerala are also thinking of coming up with similar assembly sessions. It will be a pan-India anti-BJP and non-BJP ruled states will be coming up with similar laws.
Right.
Now, Sitaram Yechury of the CPM has made it very clear that just like they forced the government on the back foot on the GST issue, in which the center was asking the states to borrow, similarly, on this issue also, all the non-Congress rules or non-BJP ruled states will be forcing the center
Right.
to take back as far as the central laws are concerned.
Right. Anand Patel, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.